Hey students, today we're going to look at how you can sign into your Khan Academy app. Now the Khan Academy app is this one right here. It may be located in a different spot on your iPad, but look for this icon. And then you can tap it to open it up. And the very first time you use it, you need to sign in. And there's a sign in right here in blue, nice and big, or in the upper right hand corner. Either case you can sign in. And we're going to continue with Google because you have a Google account that you use to sign into your Google Classroom. So we're going to tap that and then we're going to say continue. And we're going to hope that it remembers your Google account from when you signed into Google Classroom. If that does not show up, then you will need to sign into your Google account. Please use the same email and password that you did for Google Classroom, and that is located on the direction sheet that came with your iPad. When this box appears, you can just close it to get rid of it. And this tells you, now mine looks a little bit different, but right up here on top where it says My Assignments, that will tell you what you need to work on. And if you finish it up, it will tell you when it's done as well. I want to quickly show you what an assignment might look like in Khan Academy. So we're going to touch this very first one that's up here. And when you do that, in this particular case, there's a let's go. Now, sometimes it just goes right there and you don't have to type let's go. But oftentimes there may be a video that you watch and then you can certainly just start the video. Or it may have questions that it asks you. Keep in mind that you should try scrolling to make sure that you can see all of the possibilities for a question. So this one, for example, says choose 2 answers. So I'm just going to push the first 2 just to see what happens. And then down here in the bottom, I'm going to choose check. Now it says I didn't quite get it right, so I can try again because maybe I just missed it. Or I could also, if you look down here, I could get some help, and that's going to give me some hints if I need them to learn more about it. I'm going to try again. So I'm trying to find how many of these squares are 10. This one has 10, so I'm going to check again. And this time it tells me when I got it right. So then you would just simply go on to the next question. When you're all done with an assignment, you're going to use your back button to go back to the original screen. Now sometimes your assignment might be more than one thing, so you might see more than one thing listed up here. And you're just going to tap on the one that you haven't done. Remember, if you've already finished it, it says complete, so you know that it's already done. I also want to remind you of a helpful iPad tip. Now I know you can't see my fingers, but I want you to kind of watch up here on the top of the screen. I'm going to take my 2 fingers and I'm going to drag down from the top of the screen. And if you notice that little spinning that happens up there, that's how it refreshes. So if you needed to refresh your screen, you can take 2 fingers from the top and pull down. I also want to remind you that when you're done with the app, remember that we hit the home button 2 times fast, and then we swipe up to make an app close. Good luck with this.